Hey YouTube, I am giving a shout out to Isabel Lamance. You can search me up on YouTube at capital J lowercase ERMEY capital M. I have air conditioning videos, review videos, how-to videos, and Astros videos. And I've got here a 5-ton RUDD central air conditioner. It's running in cool mode. This video will be short. It's got a rotary compressor, not a Copeland scroll. Okay, pause the video and you can read the specs of this air conditioner. Thank you for watching this short video of a 5-ton RUDD central air conditioner running in cool mode. Subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button and click the notifications. Turn them on so you will receive all notifications every time I upload a video, and I will start uploading videos in HD, so you will have higher quality video instead of standard definition. And post a comment down below what you think about this video. And God loves you. I love you with all my heart. And share this video with your friends, family, and your teachers, and your coach. And thank you, and God bless you.